Salutations, everyone. This is a Preston Condra production.
Nice headbutt.
Here it comes.
And Piledriver! And she got all of it. 1, 2, it's over.
She gets German suplex. And now the Strong Zero. This time in the middle of the ring. Storm with the cover. She gets 3. And Toni Storm is still the Progress Women's Champion.
Big headbutt by Toni Storm. She's got her Piledriver. Toni, cover, and it's over.
And she wins. She keeps the title.
She went for a cross. Sorry, she went for that springboard. Gets caught in German.
Oh! Head throw to the mat. All over. Toni Storm is your winner.
Try for maybe for that powerbomb again. Oh, but hang on now. Hang on, Storm. Oh, God. Storm is the Strong Zero on the ring apron. The Strong Zero on the ring apron.
Mit dem German Suplex ging es in den Strong Zero Piledriver for Toni Storm. Zum Sieg. Fix me. Women's Champion Alto Neu Toni Storm.
Hier ist die Siegerin.
Oh, only 2. Both women back up. Headbutt. Piledriver.
Oh!
Cover. She got her. Toni Storm retains the championship.
More experience.
That headbutt with Toni Storm, German suplex. That is called the Strong Zero. Right, and she takes it with that one. I can't believe it.
Toni Storm catches a note off the ropes. Oh my word!
Whip reversed. Storm avoids the clothesline, German suplex.
Toni Storm, a fine example of that, and she's going to show here with the German suplex.
Neil went for the victory, and she almost got it right there. Yeah. You can be a great...
Avoids that boot. German!
Oh!
Catches that kick attempt, though. Into a waistlock goes Storm, another suplex.
Oben auf, bleibt dran und der Headbutt sollte es besiegeln. Zusammen.
He's finally rattled. She's back in it. German suplex.
Storm is out the way. Storm has got the waistlock here. Where's I think should have gone for the cover instead.
But a hip attack in the corner.
Yeah, Dust didn't like it.
Yeah.
Oh, what do we got?
Look at that. Oh, wow.
Oh, that might be it.
1, 2, no. Awesome.
Oh, that could be it right there. Very close. Neck. Toni Storm avoids it. Going after the arm.
Bridging armbar.
She's got it. Racing up on the hold. And Matthew's forced to tap out. Toni Storm with the victory in her Shimmer debut.
Oh, it's these combinations that make Toni Storm so dangerous.
And still a kick out too, but look at it again. Look at that.
Is she gonna tap? Toni Storm has won so many matches with this move in her career.
Look at her arm is now bent. There's no strength in that arm.
Oh, it's a crucifix!
My goodness.
Going for the arm bar, but that, oh, nope, Thatcher was going to lift her up, couldn't get it. And now adding in those kicks, and she has the arm bar ready, and she got it! She did it! Wow! Unbelievable!
She's so you're saying
all burns. Oh, Toni Storm going for an armbar, but Cole Matthews, she's able to roll her up, and I think she has her hands clasped together. Toni Storm not quite able to get that.
Mit dem Full Thrust Kick und der Hip Attack gegen Melanie Gray, die es einfach nicht wahrhaben will, was sie weggeworfen hat mit der...
Losing to the... Oh, here we go.
That's
the feigned hip attack of Toni Storm. He's gonna wind it up now for that third one.
That's very hypnotizing, but it's effective.
There. And
hip
this
attack.
is just...
Hip attack.
Now she'll go for the Death Valley driver. Webster gets taken out face first by Storm. Will that be enough? No, it won't. And this...
If she still retains the title, has another scheduled defense later tonight.
Rising stars in the world of women's wrestling. And we're seeing why right now. She has the upper hand against Mercedes. Takes her off her feet with that boot.
I don't know if that landed in the abdomen or the thigh of Toni Storm, but it affected.
No, it doesn't. Whoa! Nice kick.
With the eyes of the wrestling world now on Pro Wrestling E. Jeez!
Well, Storm will voluntarily go to the ropes. A big boot to the face.
To the side of the head. Turns her over. Leg hook. No. 2.
Toni thought better of been grabbing onto the ropes. Rick hook. Oh. Got around. I don't know how much of that roundhouse she got in there. Wrestles her down. 1, 2. Oh.
Just blowing them off.
Temper is going to start to flare here pretty soon. European uppercut there from Toni Storm.
Solidly 100% behind Toni.
If we took a vote, they would. Toni Storm would absolutely be the winner. As right.
In the corner, fisherman suplex. The cover with the bridge and a kick out on 2.
God, it is astounding every single time. Again.
Cradle suplex there. 1, 2.
Toni's got her cinched up. Could be looking. Oh my goodness. Toni Storm has her cinched. Muscle buster. Pinning combination. 1, 2. John C. Blackheart kicked out of the muscle buster.
Well, here we go. Side dive.
Sent to the outside here by Storm. Storm between the middle and bottom rope. A torpedo.
Arm sends her back inside there after they all got out of the way.
Let Toni.
Oh, but here comes Toni Storm with a dive. And she's not done. Another.
that be one of your offensive urine maneuvers?
Well, I've never really thought about it.
Are we going to see a muscle buster here? Yeah, we're going to see a muscle buster. Check this out. Marching time. Boom!
No one can ever doubt that she is one of the best in the world. And
You know what they say. Preston, please.